Okay, so I was feeding one of my German Shepherds chicken, and for some reason he thought my finger was the chicken and got a really nice bite on my finger there. It was bleeding a lot, but I've had ice on it for about 5 minutes now, and it's slowed down a lot. So something like this, all you really need to do again is put ice on it, if it's, depending on the size, of course, and that should stop the bleeding if you put some pressure on it, and because of the cold. Then what you definitely want to do also is run a lot of cold water in there, which I did before I put the ice. And now just putting some hydrogen peroxide in there to do the cleaning. Okay, so that's going to get it nice and clean. And then after that, we want to try to dry it around it so that the band-aids can stick, and put some pressure on it. Okay, then you would want to use something like this, some antibiotic, of course, especially that tooth going in there. Actually, I'm going to put a little more in there since it's starting to bleed again. Take advantage of that. Hopefully that will go in there. And again, all this is, it's just regular. Everybody should have this at home, hydrogen peroxide. Okay, again, I'm going to dry it a little bit now. Okay, so I decided to go a couple of more times with the hydrogen peroxide to make sure it's clean in there. And now I dried it, and I'm just going to put some of the ointment on it. That's good. Okay, so this should help it slow down or stop completely the bleeding. Okay. Guess I did too much. Okay, so now just gonna see if this small band-aid, all I actually need is just a little pressure on there. So nice and tight. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching.